If you're watching this, Mommy, I love you.
This is my nephew, Lamont. Lamont, you want to say hi to the people?
Hi.
So, as you can see, Lamont has a lot of hair. And we are about to hook him up with some instant locks. Great time for me to dive into ways to start. There are 3 ways to start your locks. And the first one is comb coils. Second is 2-strand twists. And the third is the new method just arrived on the scene. And that is instant locks. Okay? You do instant locks by using crochet tools, just like some of the ones I have here. I'll be using today to do Lamont's hair. I'm not sure if you can see. I have a 3-needle crochet tool and a 2-needle crochet tool. This one I believe is 0.5 millimeters and the 2-prong one is 0.75 millimeters. These are the crochet tools I'll be using to do Lamont's instant locks today. So I'm going to go ahead and get his hair washed up really good and thorough, and we're going to get into these locks. So as you guys can see, I've put Lamont's hair into 4 different ponytails, okay? I'm going to be working on each section individually while I do his instant locks, okay? His hair is still very much damp, so you can feel free to use some water if you need to during this process. I'm going to go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is just take out this ponytail here. This will be the first ponytail that I am working.
Lego. Original. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to invade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original Batman, oh, hey, oh, Vkillz, on the vibe.
It's Vkillz. It's Vkillz.
Original Batman, oh. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk me, I tear them. Certain things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Certain things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
This is the finishing result. As you can see, I have successfully locked all of his hair. Okay, good job, Dinky. Alright, as you guys can see, has happened over the course of 3 days. I really have just been taking my time in locking his hair. I really didn't want him to sit over a long, extended period of time. He is a kid, and come on, that would just be cruel. So that's why it took so long, because we took hella breaks, y'all. Lots of breaks. Didn't we, Dinky?
Yeah.
We did. Okay, so now we're about to get into this retwist, and yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. It's Youngbodzy, baby, oh, Youngbodzy, baby, oh. Na 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 na, yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. So make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, nonga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby oh. Alright fella so, hey, show my bami lord, leo, leo. Let me be your man tonight. And I just wanna be the one you like, Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gong gong oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gong gong oh. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù gángan o. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Kẹjọ kẹjọ, let's go, let's go. Aunty mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, brother mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, sister mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, uncle mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù gángan o. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù gángan o. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, 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 no. Original. Original Batman, just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the
It's
vibe.
Vkillz.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
How do you feel about your locks?
Good.
Let
You
me
did
see.
it good.
I did it good? It only took forever, right?
It didn't take forever. It only took like 4 days.
How many days?
4.
You sure it was 4 or was it 3?
It was 4.
It was 3 days.
It was no 3.
Alright, okay. Let him see. You good though? You gotta put your head down so they can see. Yep. Y'all already know. Loc Nation in the building.